नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो. I am JVN Dr. Anamika Aharwar, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject name Computer Applications, and the today's session is the design template. So, first of all, we have to open this Microsoft PowerPoint application, and by opening this, you have seen various menus. In this, you have to design the template. Like go to the option this design, and you select any of the design like this. Okay, so from this you can also select the background style, like if you select this type of background, it look like this, or if you select this like this. Okay, so these are as per your choice which type of design template you are using. So by using this selection, you type here the title and this, and for the if you insert the next slide, then click into, as I told you in my previous video. Now if you wish to select this, now go to this, and of course this right click also, you can see the here the layout also. Okay, so layout means which layout you are using, or reset slides. Okay, so format background also. So if you wish, you can format the background, like if you wish to change the picture color, or if you wish to solid fill, here I am select this gradient fill. If solid fill on present color you are using this, so if I am selecting this color, then this is the linear type. If you wish to rectangular side types, so all of this I just okay, so I just click it, and this color I am choosing, suppose white. Okay, so here reset background, close and apply to all, means you have to apply only on this slide, or apply to, if you am applying to all, means all the slides are changed as per this selection. And if I select this reset background, so you see here this, okay, reset okay means this, you see this background, and apply to all means apply all the slides, you look like this. Okay, so this is the thing which through which you can change the background, you can change the design. If I don't want to design this, then again go to the design, and this select this option, then okay, this is changed. Okay, so if you just change the like this. Okay, so as per this it will change according to the design. Okay, so you can use this as per the design, as per the background, as per the apply to all slides, as per only a slide. So it is up to you. uh, so this is basically the design option, and here you can use the animations also. Means if I am text Anamika. Okay, so here, so if I am using this, then how it look like this. If I am using this, Anamika will look, the name will look like this wheel. Okay, if this float means, you see here down to. Okay, so these are the animations you can use in your slides, but in the what I say is presentations for the academics, you try to avoid these animations during your presentations, because it takes time to upload that animation, or process that animation. So sometimes the uh, the presenter, or you can say the observer, will irritate. And so just try to create this simple PowerPoint of course the simple colors, so that your text is easily visible on the screen also. Okay, so maintain all the things, all the decorum. So the first thing is कि for which purpose you are creating this slide, whether for the academics, whether for the advertising, whether for some entertainment, it is up to you. So accordingly you can change it. Okay, so thank you. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jayati Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, and hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.